Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert bullets in Google Docs. So firstly open the Google Docs and after that click on Format. Here is the option Bullets and Numbering. So move your cursor here. Now in the bullet list select as your choice and requirement. There are some styles like you want to add this type, so just click on it. Now type here that's it. And friends, if you want to change the style, so select it. Again go to Format, go to Bullets and in here select another style like this one. So as your requirement you select any style of bullets. So that's it friend. By this easy and simple method you can insert bullets in Google Docs. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.